The leaves are poisonous, the stalk is not, but the leaves are great in the compost bin. Throw them in there, and then cherries that we picked last summer, they're the last of the ones that we pitted. I'm gonna do a cherry rhubarb crumble. I do wanna know, who was the first person that ate rhubarb, realized you couldn't eat the leaves, and then somebody went back and thought, I'm gonna give this stalk a try, even though it really does need a good dose of sugar or something savory in order to make it delicious. I wanna know, who was the first person? Okay, here we have our rhubarb cherries. Sugar, cornstarch, all that yum, mix it up. Here's our crumble topping with our flour and butter and sugar, a little bit of cinnamon. We're gonna put it together and bake it. When you are making this, do not forget your cornstarch. You want to mix that cornstarch in with the fruit, because as the fruit cooks, all of these yummy juices are gonna come out of it, and then the cornstarch is gonna help it make sure that that sauce around the fruit thickens. If you forget the cornstarch, it is just a little bit soupy, which is not the goal. Then you're gonna just take your topping and crumble it over the top. Now this is not a crisp. A crisp has oatmeal in it. This is a crumble, so the top ends up being a little bit more like a cake type topping, instead of where a crisp has that oat texture in it. Okay, it's ready for the oven. We're gonna bake it at 375 until the top looks toasty and the sides are all bubbly.